Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting power and pairing state right. Charge the Solo 3 for at least 30 minutes so the lithium cell isn't the issue. The LED should show status. Once charged, open Bluetooth settings and forget the Beats Solo 3 to clear stale profiles, because saved connections often block new pairings. Now, power cycle both devices. Press and hold the power button on the headphones until the LED flashes to enter pairing mode. This forces a fresh handshake with your phone. Next, you perform a reset and isolate the problem. Reset the Solo 3 by holding power and volume down for about 10 seconds until the LED flashes. This clears internal Bluetooth caches. Then, pair with a different device. If it connects, your phone's Bluetooth stack is the issue. If not, the headset needs attention. Make sure your phone OS and any Beats or firmware updating apps are current, because outdated stacks or app firmware commonly break Bluetooth interoperability and cause intermittent connections. Finally, confirm audio hardware and decide next steps. Plug the 3.5mm cable to test sound. If wired audio works, the speaker hardware is fine and Bluetooth remains the issue. If the problem is the phone, reset network settings. This clears problematic Bluetooth/DNS/IP caches and often fixes pairing. If the Solo 3 still refuses to pair after resets and firmware steps, you likely need professional repair or replacement. Contact Beats support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.